M0FXP, welcome to my channel. Let's add our ICOM 52 to our OPENSPOT 4. So let's firstly set up the radio. We're just in normal VFO mode at the moment. We have gone into single mode. Just press menu here and hold it. That's dual mode, single. We'll stay out of DR mode for now. Then we'll go menu. And then we'll click the low button to the right until we see the word memory. Then we'll select the center button and scroll down to repeater list and select enter. Now choose any group. Now I'm choosing the group where I have been putting my hotspot. So we're going to click enter. So that I've only got one hotspot in there at the moment. So let's add another one by clicking the quick button. And then we'll go down to add. And then it says type DV repeater, so we'll leave that. Name, we'll enter there, and we're going to type in the name by turning the channel knob open. Enter. Just call it open for now. Enter. Enter. So that's that done. Now we'll go enter and then go down one. We don't really need the sub name. Call sign, we do need that. So it's going to be M0FXB and then with a B at the end. If it's a duplicate, you say you've already got a B in there, you'll have to put a different letter in like Q. So M, go back one. If you make a mistake, just go forward and then use the VFO to delete. So you turn back and forward, you get numbers and letters. You want a proper 0 when you're using letters. M0. Fast forward it if it's a bit boring. F. Then once you get to the end of your call sign, just hit the low button and go across as far as it will go, and then put in normally a B. Because I've already got a hotspot in here, I'm going to use Q. Otherwise you'll get an error saying duplicate. Okay, so now enter. We've got our call sign in. It automatically puts in your gateway call, so the one with the G. We can, at this point, we could select a different group if we wanted to, but I'm happy with that group. So, which is where I put my hotspots. Down. Use from, I always select yes on this. So enter, click yes. Frequency, I'm turning the channel knob to go down. Enter, and then type in the frequency with your, so I'm turning the channel knob, and then I'm selecting 4, enter. Let's do that again. Across, hit across, so the low button, yeah. Then -3, then across 1, 3, then 900. Like so. Enter, that's our frequency. Now we definitely want a 0 shift, so go down 1 with the DR button. Just don't hold it, just push it, and just push the enter button and change it to, you do want a 0 or a plus, so that's fine. Then go down 1 again, and you want to set it to 0. So hit enter here, and just turn it backwards till it says 0, unless you're using a repeater, but we're not. This is just for our open spot. Hit enter because you want a 0 shift or it won't work. We won't put in our position now, but if you wanted to, you could do location. Go back. It's whether you want someone to know exactly where you live. You could put approximate, and then they won't know that. Okay, enter your UTC. I'll just leave mine at 0 by turning the channel knob. Add right. Then turn the channel knob backwards and go yes. So we've now created the open spot. Now we need to select that. So we back out completely. We push the VFO button. We're in normal mode. Now let's hold down the DR button. We're now in DR mode. And then to select our open spot, see it says from there, you can go up and down, highlight it in the blue, light blue, select the pi star and go back to repeater list, and this time turn or select the up and down and select open. So we've selected our open spot. Now the last thing is, if you're just linking, go up one, push the enter button, and you can select reflector, and then you can link here. Or if you're just going to use the open spot, you leave it on use reflector for now. The other thing you can get is information. So if you want echo test, go down to echo test, push enter, and if we spoke now and we were connected to the open spot, we would hear ourselves. Go back one, hold down DR again, enter, and if you want information on what we're connected to, you should be able to go reflector and then repeater information, push enter, and when you key the mic now, it will tell you what you're connected to. Otherwise, go enter, reflector, and go use reflector. There's more functions, but that's the basics of connecting to the open spot. Let's move on to the open spot now.